Hey everyone, welcome to our video on exponents. In this video, we'll be discussing what exponents are and how they work. So, what are exponents? Well, simply put, an exponent is a way of representing repeated multiplication. Let's say you have the number 2, and you want to multiply it by itself 3 times. You could write that out as 2 times 2 times 2, or you could use an exponent and write 2 to the power of 3. The exponent tells you how many times to multiply the base number, which in this case is 2. Now, what does 5 to the 4th power mean? It means that number 5 multiplied by itself 4 times. Exponents contain a number called the base and another number which is called the power or exponent. Like if we have 2 to the 3rd power, 2 is the base and 3 is the power, and we read it as 2 to the 3rd power. The exponent tells us how many times to multiply the base number by itself. Exponents are really useful when we need to work with really large or really small numbers. For example, let's say we want to multiply 10 by itself 6 times. That's a lot of multiplication to do. But if we write it as 10 to the power of 6, we can easily calculate the answer, which is 1 million. Another thing to keep in mind is that exponents can be negative. When we have a negative exponent, it tells us to take the reciprocal of the base number and then raise it to the positive version of the exponent. For example, if we have 2 to the power of minus 3, we would take the reciprocal of 2, which is 1/2, and then raise it to the power of 3, giving us 1/8. So that's an introduction to exponents. They're a really powerful tool for working with large and small numbers, and they can save us a lot of time when we need to do repeated multiplication. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.